How's it going, everybody? And welcome to today's episode of the Dextra Power Washer. So, I'm a little bit behind. So, Dextra sent me this power washer. It was before I moved, and I ain't gonna lie, I had to clean the dust off of it because it's been sitting for a little bit. So, I've got to do for y'all today how to put it together. No, I've purposely not been messing with it because I told them I'd do a not an installation video, but a assembly video. So we're gonna do the assembly, and we're gonna go ahead and wash my car. All right. So I'm sure y'all can't see the top now. No. What's up there somewhere? So that's cool. That comes out and it locks. So here's your power button, obviously. I don't know how much cord we got, but I have not read the directions, but this looks like it goes here. So, this piece. And that looks like it's gonna. So, this piece. Oh, we got screw holes. Well, it looks like it goes there. Oh, look! The directions. Who needs these? Put it forward. We got a couple of. Yes, we'll talk about that next episode. These two screws. Okay, let's continue on. So you've got. They send you with a little phone can of thing, and I was reading, and this just goes in. So it just goes in, kind of like that. You see these. So you're in. Just kind of push in and twist, and and take it out. So here's the spray. And you just, like I said, your ears up and down, kinda. Okay, just push in and twist. So now I was looking, so you got your little area. I thought, I don't know, this could go here, I guess. I'm gonna look, but you got kind of storage. I don't know if that's what it's made for, but hey, it works. So. What is it? Is it green normally, or is it white? I think white is the 15 degree. So we got 0. Well, here, let's go 0. Oh, well, I don't know. So 0, 15, 25, and 40. Yeah, so they're just calling this a needle, just to clean your tips and stuff. Oh, what the hell? It's got, dude. Ha! Oh, heck, this thing goes together well. Dude, that's like awesome. And another thing that I realized on so here's your pressure washer hose, obviously. Is this the, yes. Not how well, but there's little tabs in there. You move this over. Okay, you can kind of see it. So I guess you could just shove it in. It's not really clipped, so. Okay, yeah, so we go shove it in, just push it. Move that button over. And shoot, we're in. Same thing. Well, I think same thing. On your, I'm trying to get to where I can see good. Okay, so your hose, it's got same little mechanisms here. Let's just push. And yeah, you really can't force that. Okay, so I thought I was trying to do the wrong one. I wasn't. I did have to spray a little bit. It was kind of difficult. I sprayed a little bit of water with soap in it. So I even pulled this back right here too. But, so it just goes in. But yeah, I had to spray a little bit of soap and water on here because I guess the rubber, the O-ring was catching. So it's just a little mock-up of how I did it. All right, let's go test her out. So just to let y'all know, I really don't want to wash my car, but whatever, I guess. So I've already got a leak. Yay! And oh, I guess I ought to plug it in, huh? My bad. So I'm spraying and there's something in my headlight. What the heck? I went ahead and filled this up. 500 mils of just wash and wax. I don't really know what to use, but whatever. That's what I had. So let's see how this thing works. Wow, I've never had one of these. This is cool. Yeah, y'all don't want to watch me finish this. We're done there, so. Off. Go and shut the water off. See, I still think you could put it there. I like it right there. What? Oh, other way. There you have it. Only thing I'm fighting with is the hose, and you can see I got a kink in it, but bugs me. So I always get these nice things, and they never go back to the same way. There, that's better. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm proud of that. Dang it. Yeah, look at it. Look at it. We're done. There she is. So now that I've used it and put it up, the one thing that really the only, okay, so it's a little, it's not super high powered. This one is it's the 2000 PSI max pressure. Only the 3000 PSI ones are on Amazon right now. I would have loved to have got that one, but hey, I'm not gonna complain. I really think everything that's got its own little spot is really cool. You know, you just do it all up and shove it in the corner until you need it next time. The thing I didn't like about it, it works good. The car's clean-ish. you know, which I didn't hand wash anything, which I normally do, and I should have, but whatever. I like that it comes with a little foam cannon thing. I like that everything's got a spot, its own spot. The only thing I wasn't a fan of is this mechanism here. Just kind of hard to get the fitting in for it to click. Yeah, it's a bit difficult, but other than that, I really like it though. So I think I need to review the 3000 PSI. And I'll probably just give this one away. What do y'all think? Thank y'all.